Lovely morning. Well, I need to do some shopping and then I will go to the farm. That's right. Oh, what is that? Looks like a present. A large one. I wonder what's in there?
Wow, what a huge box! Hi, Red Tractor. Is it yours?
No, it's not. Someone must have lost it. Hello, Red Tractor.
Good morning. What an interesting box. Red Tractor, do you know what's in there?
I don't know. Maybe a cake. On your wheels.
I'm so curious. Let's open it. But it's not our box. Perhaps someone is missing it. We mustn't open it.
We could open it, just a little bit. See what's in there and close it. No one will even notice. We mustn't open a present that isn't ours. We must keep it safe until it's found. I'll move the box out of the way so that no one drives into it. I'm sure someone will come for it. Excuse me, have you seen a big box with ribbons? I've dropped it somewhere today. Sorry, we haven't, but you may ask at the police station. Hello, police car. Could you help me? I've lost my surprise box. Don't worry, blue truck. I'll help you find it. I'm not going to open this box. Don't even try to talk me into it. Red Tractor has found a huge box. Let's go, or you'll miss him opening it. That must be my surprise box. Let me through, please. Oh, there you are. I'm happy it's found. So this is your present, blue truck. We did not open it. We only moved it out of the way. Thank you so much. I was driving early in the morning and must have dropped it. I didn't even notice. We were all wondering what's in there. We will all see now. Red Tractor, will you open it? That was a surprise box for you, friends. But I'm so glad that you waited for me.